Alright guys, me and Gio just got to the park.
I got my little monster truck. Hi, Scooby. What you doing?
Little monster trucks with us today.
What you doing, man? Scooby, what you doing? What you doing, Scooby?
Walking to the monster park to go play in the water.
I'm gonna go fish.
We're not gonna do a lot today, man. Just getting out the house for a quick hour or two. Blue skies today. That's really it, guys. Not a whole lot going on. Just go there at the park with my son for an hour or two. Let him get out the house. He went straight to the lake over there where the water's at. I'm just gonna let the camera roll. This is Kenneth Hahn Park. In the middle of the park. Today is Tuesday, January 2nd, I believe.
This is fun.
Nice, huh?
Let's keep going, monster duck.
The beautiful ducks over there in the water today. There he goes. Ducks over there, guys.
Hey, come on. Scooby, come over here. Come over here and swim together. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Ow,
That was a big jump.
huh?
That was a big jump.
Yeah, I know that. Keep going. Keep going. Baby.
Let me take off this lens. Maybe it might be a little clearer without that lens on there.
Keep going.
I'll put Scooby right there. Keep going, Scooby. Just hiking through here. Can't fit. I got my bag. I gotta go around. Just kind of let Gio run and feel free, man. Get a little exercise. Climbing on rocks, so if it's a little shaky, I'm walking on rocks. And we just follow this river right on down. Stream. Beautiful day at the park. Right now it's like 12 o'clock. It's a good time to be here. See Gio climbing through all that stuff right there.
Hey, come here, Scooby. Keep going, Scooby. Yeah, keep going, man.
Big stream right there. Run, Gio, run, Gio. Not many people here right now, which is cool. Shit, we could actually take our mask off.
Can we?
Huh?
Can you stay right here?
Wanna stay right here?
Yeah. Yeah. The play right here. That's a good idea. Oh, I fell. Hi. What you doing? I'm playing in mud.
Oh, that's cool. It's wet right here though, huh?
Huh?
It's wet, but it's cool. The rocks are nice.
Can I be Scooby and you be this one?
Yeah.
I can be Scooby, you be this one. Here, here's your sticky out. Ah, I found there. I found the hole. Come up here, Scooby.
What happened to my monster truck?
Huh?
Oh, he's over here.
There's some mud. There's some mud here. Woohoo.
Whoa! He backed up.
Help! Help!
That's mud or poo-poo?
That's mud.
Whoa!
Daddy, this is for the rain.
Whoa!
This is the rain just mixed it up. Just mud.
Okay, it's not poo-poo?
No. It was mud. It's good for monsters. I'm gonna get out now. Hey, look at my tires.
You got mud on all over your tires?
Yeah. Mud's my favorite. And I like and you get
Wash it off, yeah.
Sit down. Woo! I'm gonna get back in the mud. Just find the mud. And there you are, in the mud. Let's get it all in there.
You want to get in the water too, buddy?
Help! 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 Help me! Help!
Oh, that was cool, man.
We're going to rinse my tires off, okay? Let me rinse them off quick. You watch them at the lake.
All right. All right, guys. Head over to the lake. Beautiful is that? Beautiful, ain't it? Nice and peaceful. Nobody here. Really today?
You got scrubbed out. Let's go back to the party.
Jill's over there playing. Right here. Here, guys. Big chilling. Huh?
Somebody's crying.
Oh.
Don't do that. Stop. Don't do that. You know what happened to Scooby? He fell down in the water right there. He fell down and Nope. Not this time. Not this time. Shadow. I need us here. It's good. Not big deal. It's bad. It's not. We're gonna take your mom to the ocean. Hey, come on.
Woohoo! I'm riding the edge.
Dude, no, you're gonna fall down. Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Come on, let's go right here. It's more safety. Right here. I put you in a thing, but you didn't listen. That's what you say you need. We're gonna listen.
Like that. You're moving, me and Gio is moving. I'm coming, let me get the bag.
They get this mud, Daddy.
That's poo-poo.
No, I don't think so. This is mud again.
No, I think that's poo-poo mix.
Don't care.
What do you guys think? That's poo-poo or that's mud? That looks like poo-poo. Let's put some water right here. Come out of here. That's dirty right there. It's some mud. Masking. I don't like you right there.